When you talk about the benefits of this kind of product, they've really gone a lot further than most storage vendors around the user interface, the ability to set up partitions and to be able to set up users. It's really important for us when we've got multiple shows sitting on the same NAS to be able to set those things up in walled gardens so that it's not possible for anything to bleed over into anything else, right?
You can manage everything by yourself. You don't need to have any IT background. You don't have to write any command lines to access. It's just a matter of accessing the portal in the same way that you access a website. You type the URL and you're in, and then from there you manage everything. And if there's any problem, if there's any technical issue, you can easily get in touch with the support team.
We've got all of the major studio security issues that we have to deal with. And so the ability to manage the storage, the ability to manage users and groups and things like that has really come a long way with CreativeSpace.
In the times where we are, basically, most of us are working remotely. So it really is even a more dynamic tool, because even though I'm where I am, I can just create the space that I need, manage the permissions. If a new person is joining us on a project, then I can do it like right away. I don't need to wait for somebody from IT or somebody from CreativeSpace to do that for me. I'm super independent.
CreativeSpace is something that we rarely have to think about. In fact, most of the time when we hear from those folks, it's because they want to come and do an upgrade, which is always something that we're happy about. We like to think of them almost, as investing as heavily in the software side of the business and the technology as they are the hardware side.
The web portal is definitely very intuitive. You don't need to be an IT person in order to manage it. I can set up permissions. I can create spaces myself. I can set up groups, people. It really is very flexible. And I also can, at all times, monitor all the activity that is going on through the web portal. I can see which person is accessing which files, what they're working on. I have a history of all the access. It's really powerful.
And that's stuff that we just get as clients. We don't have to pay extra for that. They just, they come and they say, here's what's new in the product. And it really helps us as we bring in, multiple shows and we're managing multiple shows at the same time. It really is a very efficient way for us to set our pipeline up.